Hey guys, so today is my first fishing video. I took my hat off so my hair is super crazy. But as I was saying, today's my first fishing video. We're gonna feed my fish and we're gonna catch a bunch of bass, hopefully. Okay, so today I'm fishing with this lure right here and that bobber right over there with that pole. Right now, I've already caught one bass with that one pole, but my camera wasn't on when I caught it. Now I'm just fishing with this lure until I get another bite. My bobber just went over under. Oh, are you kidding me? He swallowed the hook. Oh.
I got those things in the back of my truck. Let me go get them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold this and we turn it off.
Look at this bass. I just caught him. In a minute, I'm gonna rebuild that. I don't know if you can see it. It's a wind structure that me and my friend built to keep us safe from the wind. Yeah. I'm just gonna set him back in the water. That way he does good. He does okay. But for right now, I'm just gonna show you what all I have in my tackle box. My first box is just my hooks and my bobbers and my weights. I have all. Okay. I have treble hooks and circle hooks and then minnow hooks, red and green hooks and gold hooks, swivels, and then there's my second box. It's all my soft plastics and smaller baits for smaller bass, bluegill, and crappie. Then in this box, I have these things. I don't know what I'm ever going to use them for. Probably won't ever use them. And then I have this chatterbait, and then this spinnerbait right here. Main reason I have a bunch of white or bright baits because this water is normally very murky. And over here I have all of my crankbaits. That's an old one. And then right here are all my top waters. More crankbaits, and then my lipless crankbaits. And then this is my tackle box itself. It's just an Academy brand. My dad, I wasn't able to get the hook out, and neither was my dad, so we just cut the line right at the hook, and now he'll be okay. It's just stuck in his mouth. He'll swallow it eventually. I'm gonna get this to weigh him. It's not even a pound. There's the second best.
Uh-oh. You don't want to put that one.
He's starting to swim off it.
Yeah, I don't think that guy's gonna make it.
There we go. I was just giving this fish CPR. I was giving him fish CPR. See if he would swim off eventually. And there we go. Swimming off into the deeper water. Okay, so I retied my bait, or my hook, and I got another minnow on there. So now I'm going to start a time lapse of me building back that with all those sticks right there in that big pile. Okay, I'll stop it. Now I'm just gonna put all these bigger sticks that have all these little branches in the back to just make it thicker. When me and my friend first built this, we put all these big sticks on top, and we didn't really care how sturdy they were or anything, and they just fell one day. So then we just stopped using it because we didn't want to rebuild it. And then my friend moved, so I just decided to rebuild it. Okay, stop the video.
It's the same one you already caught.
There's another bass. This one didn't swallow the hook, thankfully. And it isn't the same one because there isn't a hook in his throat.
Maybe he already spit it out.
Still can't get it out, though. Is it going? I don't know about y'all, but one of my least favorite hook sets is either in the tongue or if it just gets a little bit of the top of their mouth. It's my least favorite parts about the hook set are those two. I don't know why, but it is. This one's almost a pound, just like the last one. Probably a little bit bigger than the last one. I'm going to show you all this wind fort that I built. This is what it looks like on the front. And right there is like where I'll be sitting. And then you have a perfect view of the water to look at where your bobber is. Especially if it's windy. And then come to the back side. And there's all these sticks or branches to make it just bigger. That way it stops the wind a little bit better. And it just goes all around. Somewhere up in here. Oh, there it goes. I'm trying to catch him. I don't know if I'm going to be able to catch him. Yeah, probably not. I'm just going to give up, but there he goes. Another nice little bass for this pond. I had a tiny minnow on. Nice hook set right in the side of the mouth. That's what circle hooks are made to do. That little circle hook right there. And I don't know what size it is, but
You gonna weigh that one?
caught me this little bass, and I'm gonna weigh him. He's a lot smaller than all the other ones, but still a bass nonetheless, and it fought pretty good. Yeah, nowhere close to a pound, probably like 2 ounces.
Bring it in, Luke. Bring it in. All right, Luke. Way to go, bro.
I thought I had him, and then I was like, no, I don't, and then got on him.
Bring him up here.
I knew that little bait worked to that white grub.
Give him to
That
Titus.
white
Let Titus
curly
weigh him.
Grub with that pink jig head.
You're not gonna weigh him?
No, I am.
You're gonna clean him off?
Another nice bass, about the same size as all the other ones we can catch on today.
Was that last one half a pound, you said?
No, like not even 2 ounces probably. This one's probably half a pound. That one that I caught was probably bigger than 2 ounces. Probably 5 ounces or something. I don't know. But that was my brother. Like, I don't know. He isn't that big, but he's just long. He's as big as my forearm. And I don't know. He's just huge. It's not huge, but super long. I don't know if
pound.
this thing, I don't know if this scale is lying or dang it, my scale's broken.
What was it saying?
It was saying it was 3 pounds because it's broken. My scale just broke.
Oh, you just gotta reset that to the 0. There we go.
Oh, hey, video? Wait.
Mm-hmm.
So, I don't know. My dad fixed it. I just had to reset it to 0 or something. There we go. So yeah, he's smaller than all the other ones. Just he's super long. So now I'm just gonna put all these minnows in here. Look, point. My brother's videoing right now instead of my dad. I'm gonna see what happens when I just drop one in. I bet you that green sunfish right there is gonna get the first one before any of the other fish even notice that they're in here. It might take them a while to notice that they're in here. I've already done this once and it took them a while to notice that they were even in here. But now that they know that they're in here, see that pumpkin seed? Oh,
Ooh,
that catfish got one. Now that they know they're in here, they're gonna start coming for them. I know that pumpkin seed's gonna get one. That green sunfish got a little bit of something, a little chunk of fish earlier today, so he's not too hungry. Oh dang, that little catfish was going after that big one. If I can catch these guys. There we go. Here comes another one. Oh, that pumpkin seed got one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he let go of it. I knew he was gonna get one. Just a matter of time. And I have my crawfish in here. I'm gonna have to cut up some food for, cut up a fish for him. Drop it down there. I bet you the catfish is gonna get this one. Oh, that little catfish finally got him one. Some of these guys won't die right now, or won't get eaten right now. They'll get eaten over time, and that'll just save me time for having to cut them up all the time. But look at that catfish's mouth. He's got like probably 2 in there at least. And they're just all eating. I think that's all of them. But yep, that's it for the video. I'm definitely gonna post next Friday. I might post before then. See ya next one.